Hi guys, this is Duncan from dunksweb.com. I thought I'd bring the tech feel back of Dunksweb and show you guys behind the scenes on how it's been made and how you can get your own version for free and a bunch of things that's happening in terms of the editor on here and how it's all constructed. So here is dunksweb.com. We've got the navigation bar at the top. We've got a bunch of things happening here. We've got pictures in the middle. This is part of a blog. We have users on the left hand side, quick links on the right hand side. We've got a countdown timer on the right hand side, shout box, threads, a lovely little picture there in the gallery, and a bunch of other things, donations included, and everything that's happening on the website gets posted to the homepage. So that's pretty cool. So how is this all powered? It's done by something called Enjin. You can sign up and get your own engine for free. In my last video, I think I showed dunksweb.enjin.com, which we've then moved to our own domain. But you can get your own .enjin.com for free, and you can start building a community. It's really good. So talking about design, I didn't upload any HTML pages. I didn't do any coding of any sort for this page. It's all done through the online editor, and it works really well. So for example, if I wanted to, on the right hand side, edit or add a quick link, all I need to do is go to admin at the top and then quick edit. Now you notice that there is a bunch of edit links on all of these things, on everything that's been added here, and you just simply click it. If I click edit here, you can see it's got the vertical menu module, and you'll see it's got all the links that I've got. I can just add one, create, and as soon as I hit create, it's on there. I can then move it up and down, as you can see there, and then delete it if I wish, or edit it. So it's a really quick way to knock up a website. Now, Enjin is kind of geared towards gaming communities, but you could use this for anything really. If you're interested in making up a forum for technology, you could do that here as well. Now, when you start, you actually do get forums by default, and they work really well. I'm really pleased with them. You get a bunch of different things you can show on the left-hand side. All of this can be done custom. Now, if I go to edit the page layout, this is kind of a more advanced quick edit thing, and it will show you pretty much how the page is laid out. So you can see we've got a left-hand column, we've got the main forum here. Now, on the top, you'll see Global Top 1. If you saw on the website, I had the header and then just underneath it, the navigation bar. So this is pretty much the header, and this is the navigation bar. These are called containers. Now, inside containers, you can have modules. So you can see this header is a module. So I can click to replace it if I wish, or I can edit it. So if I go to edit it, it'll bring up an editor, and there we go. I can actually start editing my header straight away. It's all done, and as soon as I click save, it's applied to the website. So much easier than downloading a file, editing it, and then uploading it again. And again, you can actually do this for free. I'll go through the plans towards the end of this video. So you can see a bunch of different modules here. There is a modules tab that will show you all of the ones that you can have. One thing to be careful of is that if you do decide to go this route, Enjin hosts your website, so you can't do anything like dynamic pages, like PHP pages. That can't be done. However, you can use HTML. There is an HTML module on the left-hand side, but you can see all the different things that can be used here. We've got a YouTube area if you wish to have a YouTube gallery. We've got games, matches, upcoming matches. You can actually get people to apply to be staff on your website. And you've got things like PayPal donations, and one thing I really like here is group pay. So if you do decide to go for the premium plan, which obviously you can see we've got our own domain because we're using the ultimate plan, you can have people help you pay for the website. So for example, you run out of what they call days. They do charge you monthly if you wish, but you can prepay and get yourself an amount of days. Now, if you run out of days, it will show you an inactive page, but your website hasn't gone. What it will do is it will show your members that the website's expired, and they can help you by either completing offers or pay for the website. They can actually donate through PayPal and pay for the website. It'll apply itself automatically. And what I like even more is if they do add days to your website, it will actually show on the front page, because as you saw, I had the activity on the front page. It showed. So a bunch of different modules can be done here, and you can edit them. I've got a bunch of things here. I think most things I've got things in is the HTML module, because although it does have its own built-in chat system, I wanted to have my own because it's done through Flash and it's running through IRC, which is completely different. You can see Dunksweb is not available. Let's try that again. Yeah, so this is actually hosted on Amazon S3, so it's my computer that's having the issue. So really fast speeds on this as well. So as you can see, these are the things that are happening on the website. You can see I published a post in news, and you can have RSS feeds. So if you are looking to set up just a blog, you can do that too. The forums actually also have an RSS feed on the bottom right hand side. So you can set that up with a Twitter account and post it through to your Facebook or anything like that. So if someone wants to donate to the site, it will show up here. If someone wants to add days to your website plan, that will show up here too. So it kind of encourages other people to sort of, you know, get involved and do whatever. You can see Twitter feed. This is also its own module, and you can see it shows DunksWeb and follow us. So that's a really quick way to get people active on your Twitter feed as well. So it's a really good community building software, and I highly recommend it. If I go to the plans, obviously this isn't an advertisement, it's just showing you how we made the website. But the basic free plan, you can have up to 20 of those modules, which I think is quite a lot, to be honest, to have on a website. That could be a forum, a chat, that could be a donation module, a gallery module, and a few other things. But we're on the ultimate plan. You can prepay, as you can see, you can go up to 12 months and blah, blah, blah. And you get like multi-layouts, which we haven't used. We've got branding, and you can then use your own domain, things like that. But if you're interested in checking this out, I'd highly recommend you go straight for the free plan just to see how easy it is to make a website. Because I know a lot of people do ask me, I want to make a website, I want it to be quick, I want it to be easy, and I don't want to mess around with code, I don't want to mess around with uploading files. Because all the files are hosted on their server, then, you know, you don't have to do anything. Now, if you do have any problems with this, you can contact them. The people on the premium plans get priority support, but you will get a response quite quickly from the guys at Enjin, and they'll make custom modifications for you to the template if you wish, because you can add your modules in your containers, but you can't really edit the template, as in you can't just like randomly add a thing at the top here that says something different, because this is part of their Enjin community site. And another thing is that because this is kind of like Facebook, you're actually connected to a whole community as well inside Enjin, which means you'll get more viewers to your site because people will scroll through the communities that they have. You can also post on the Enjin community, which has like 1.2 million members or something. So that would get more people onto your site joining it. We have had about 1,100 people in just 3 weeks. So it's definitely done very well. Now, the Facebook type elements, because I like to consider this the Facebook for geeks and gamers, is down on the bottom right. You can actually talk to your users through here. You can see I've got a couple of online friends. You can go and search through all the people that are online and talk to them if you wish. You can see I've got notifications here, kind of like Facebook, and it shows me who's joined the website, responses to things I've made. And you'll also see, similar to Facebook, the notification area pop up if anyone comes online that you're friends with. So it's really good at making a dynamic site that would make people want to come back and check that their friends are doing, and things like that. Now, this other icon on the bottom right is for applications. So if you are part of a gaming thing and you'd like people to become staff on your gaming thing or anything like that, you can do that through Recruitment Applications, and you can choose whichever, and you can decline people. Now, if you want to ban people from the site, you can. You just go to admin and users. I'm not going to go onto it because it will show people's IP addresses. But you can then also give people tags. So, for example, I'm an owner, so I'm tagged as an owner. I have a red name. Gex Overlord here is a moderator, and he's known in our game as a moderator who's got a green title, so he's tagged as that person. You can also have teams. So if you go to admin and then teams, we've got a team that's just called staff. So if you click staff, you can have a member list. You can set the member list up just to show a team, which is really useful if you've got like a clan of certain people or a group of certain people that you want to show. You can have those members there too. So yeah, I mean, our website is set up for Minecraft, but you could probably do this for technology. You can have your own blog. You can see I've got my own little tech space here as well. Just you can see the latest videos. You can import RSS feeds. So for example, we've got our new DunksWeb gaming channel. You just click the plus button. You can see all the different descriptions that have been made for those videos, and you've got the links. You've got these visitors as well. You can see you've had quite a lot of visitors in the past 3 weeks. And that's all just because of how engaging this website is. So I definitely highly recommend it. It's especially to try it for free and start building your own community. If you want to have your own style Facebook, then it's definitely worth doing. Obviously, before you start, consider having a purpose to it. Make sure it's themed correctly. Not as in the looks of it, but themed towards, I don't know, technology or gaming or whatever. And I highly recommend it. You get these social sites at the top, and if you go to settings, you can actually customize it to go to your own Facebook page. So I've uploaded our logo, which has applied itself to as a fav icon or favicon, whatever you want to call it. That's that little icon you get on the top left. So this goes to dunksweb.com, and that's using this, I believe. And you can also have those custom pages at the top, so people can like your Facebook page straight from inside your website. So a lot of updates are happening. You do get notified by the Enjin admins whenever they add anything, and it's really, really recommended if you're looking to build a community, if you're a gamer or anything like that. So check it out. You can go to enjin.com. You will have a subdomain there, so yourname.enjin.com, and then you can then point it to your own domain if you wish to upgrade in the future. And you can do that, and even if you don't want to pay for it, you can try and bring your users to help you pay for it by adding that group pay module, which will help them add days, premium days, ultimate days, whatever you want to do. So that's about it really. This is Enjin. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like these videos, and thanks again.